கரூர் மாவட்டத்தில் தேர்தல் பிரச்சாரம் மேற்கொண்டுள்ள காங்கிரஸ் எம்பி ராகுல் காந்தி அரவக்குறிச்சி பிரிவு அருகே செய்தியாளர்களை தற்போது சந்தித்து வருகிறார். அதனை நேரலையில் பார்க்கலாம்.
That are interested in this information. Enemy forces can also access this information. So I am asking a very simple question. Why is it that there is no inquiry? These 5 people know. Somebody out of these 5 has told a journalist. If it is not the Prime Minister, why is he not ordered an inquiry and said treason has taken place? Somebody out of these 5 people has put the Indian nation, the Indian Air Force at risk. I want to find out who it is. Why has he not done that? Because that's the first thing the Prime Minister would do. The only reason he's not done that is because he is involved in this type of leaking of information.
Sir, do you think that he has breached Official Secrecy Act?
Well, the fact that this information is on WhatsApp and this gentleman knows 3 days before, of course Official Secret Act has been breached. The act has been breached by one of those 5 people, and also by this person who is busy telling somebody else. So absolutely it is a breach of Secrets Act. Now would you like
that
I don't need to now speak about Tamil Nadu.
In Puducherry Union Territory, Congress and DMK between going some issues now. In Tamil Nadu, Congress, DMK.
We are having a very good relationship with the DMK. We have full respect of Mr. Karunanidhi, full respect of Stalinji, and we have full faith in the alliance.
Do you think that there is a need for
Of course.
Parliamentary probe in this particular?
I need to talk about Tamil Nadu now.
Okay. Any question? And regarding the release of Mr. Perarivalan, one of the
Just please one second.
Okay.
Now let them also ask questions. You've asked your question.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. So I want to say something. It's an honor and a pleasure for me to come here. I enjoy coming to Tamil Nadu. The aim of the alliance is to stop the RSS ideology from coming into Tamil Nadu. Mr. Narendra Modi has the remote control with which he is controlling the government of Tamil Nadu. We are going to take out the batteries of the remote control and throw it away. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
கரூர் மாவட்டம் அரவக்குறிச்சியில் தேர்தல் பரப்புரையில் ஈடுபட்ட போது செய்தியாளர்களை சந்தித்த காங்கிரஸ் எம்பி ராகுல் காந்தி ராணுவ ரகசியங்கள் வெளியான போது மத்திய அரசு ஏன் நடவடிக்கை எடுக்கவில்லை என்ற ஒரு கேள்வியை எழுப்பியிருக்கிறார். மேலும் திமுகவுடன் நல்லுறவில் தொடர்ந்து இருந்து வருவதாகவும் தெரிவித்திருக்கிறார். அதிமுக, திமுக ஆகிய இரு